So guys, let's talk about mounting the projector into your room. So I mounted exactly at the distance, at the half distance into the middle. I have in this room 4 by 5 meters, so 20 meters are available. Mount yourself the projector exactly into the middle to have the main hole. So I want to show you here. I mounted exactly into the middle and the range. Every support can arrange the width, you have 4 brackets. With that 4 brackets, you can arrange and you can mount the brackets to fit the one pin exactly to the middle, to be into the middle, the center of gravitation to be exactly on the middle of the projector. Do not put it, you see this projector has in this side the free screws, but you must put it not on the right side, exactly to the middle to distribute the weight onto the middle. Okay, I didn't put this adapter, power adapter, has a bracket, also a support or a mounting system to the projector. Viewsonic think about this. I didn't put it because it doesn't get quite well into my support, into my custom support on the wall. But for now it's good. Please do not mount your projector. Do not mount it near to the air conditioner or a heater. Leave the projector at least a couple of meters of heating source, cooling source. Another problem I encounter, you see, this connector is different. So I had to cut the cables and put the custom connector of UK directly to the projector. As I will make the repairments to the wall, I will do it later, but for now let's start the projector. And I got to say, it's looking aggressive, good, big. It's very big. I wish it would be a little bit smaller, but because it's white and it integrates with the color of the wall, it's good. I think it's good. So I managed to fit the transformer or the adapter, power adapter, right there. If you see here, I have the 2.0, the Ultra HDMI. You see, big, it's a very big cable for this HDMI because it's a must. For Ultra HDMI, if I'm saying right, it has 18 giga per second information transfer, so it's a big deal. For the HDR at 120 Hz at 4K, you must use minimum 2.0, 2.1, I think, Ultra HDMI cables. So be aware of this. This is another trick.